I was the beneficiary of so much in the way of mentoring and role models growing up. It was a part of my family. It was what we did. It was what my father did on our block. He was called the mayor of Greer Avenue because he helped people. And my brothers were the same way.
Law school teaches you the law, it doesn't teach you how to be a lawyer. So it's really great to have someone that you can always go to that's right. You can just call them up and be, hey, this is what I need to do, I don't know what this is, please help me.
My mentoring probably is more related to the unofficial, mentoring role, which is the young attorneys that go to the partners or the senior associates that they're either working for or they feel they have a relationship with, where they get the unofficial mentoring that doesn't end up in a personnel file. Should I be going to this event, or should I ask somebody to do this, or when I go talk to the attorney that just gave me this assignment, should I do it this way or that way?
The process of mentoring for me is an evolutionary sort of thing. There's no set way of doing so. I found that leaving the door open, never implying that my time is too valuable to be interrupted for questions from the associates and the young partners makes some difference.
If I need a creative solution, I know that John is the person to go to. He's very smart, very resourceful, and can always think of a solution that I definitely had never even considered.
Over the years, I've mentored young lawyers who were employees of mine, and now I am a sole practitioner, so I am focused on mentoring young lawyers outside of my firm. And one of the things that I had the idea of coming up with was the Connections program, which the Association for Women Lawyers Foundation adopted and is running. And it's an opportunity for young women to connect with older, more experienced women and have networking opportunities to have their support, build relationships with them, and have a safe place to ask questions and get advice when they might not want to do that by asking someone in their own firm.
I've been a lawyer for 34 years and I've worked at a number of different places. And one thing that I've found, that I've learned from the people who've mentored me, is that it's extremely important when dealing with young attorneys to let them know how their piece of the puzzle works into the entire case or the entire project for the client.
Irv has done a really great job of taking younger folks under his wing, and he has done this for the entire time that I've been here at the firm, and I'm sure he's probably done it in prior positions as well.
If I could give advice, I think it's just finding that area of the law that you really want to focus on, that really thrills you. Get with some people that are really good and learn your craft before you venture out or try to take on clients and work of your own. I think my success has been a natural consequence of all of the help, all of the mentoring, all of the guidance I received all of my life. And so I think if I can spread that and make somebody happier, it makes me happier, it makes the world a better place, and I like to do that.